how to buy the last DWARFS token. So this token came under the symbol of TLD. So before we start, this is not financial advice, not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral links down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral links. Go and fund your account to benefit. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel, they include it too on Derek's account. So this token, it's in pre-sale now. So if you click on their official website, as you can see here, you will be able to redirect you to this pre-sale page. What you need to do here, just connect your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. So after that, connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet to this pre-sale page, what you need to do here, so select the payment method. So if you want to select the network here, as you can see, it's on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. So for example, you select the Ethereum, select the USDT under it. So after you select USDT, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, of course. So here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. So the total amount that you will be able to receive that token, this is it. So after that, what you need to do, just click on buy here. So if you have a referral code, put it here to benefit from a discount, or you have the bonus codes too. So after that, click on buy. Because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't proceed. So after you click on buy, a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet, and you will be able to complete the buy process on your wallet. So this is how to buy TLD token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.